Hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today we are in a situation I have logged in as Amit, but I'm not remembering the root password, so I'm not able to become a root. Now I have to reset the password. To reset the password, we have to go on ILO and like this log out. I'm not able to log in, so first I have to reboot it. So I'll do power reset. Okay, on this I will press E to edit and go down all the way. Okay, on this line, Control E, the end of the line, and I will mention rd dot break. Then Control X. Control X, we got this console here. We'll mount the mount point, mount -O, remount read write / sysroot. Okay, now sysroot counter, we will chroot, press sysroot. Okay, this is done. I will run password command, password. Okay, new password has been changed. Now we have to enable the SE Linux labeling. Okay, so for that, touch.auto relabel, done. Then exit and exit. Okay, it will take some time to give us a console back. Okay, it's getting reboot. Okay, we got a login prompt. See, we are able to log in or not. Boom, new password is working. So that's how you can reset your root password. But there's a catch. If you can take this server in a single user mode and reset the password, whoever is having the access of this console will take the server in a single user mode because process is same, and will reset the root password and they can take over your server. Like, I reset this thing. Okay, I log in as Amit. Now I know the root password. I can do whatever changes I want. So this console should be secure. To secure this, we reset the password for the grub also. I will show you those things in the next video. Try this thing. If you have any question or if you are getting stuck anywhere, put the detailed comment box. I will try to help you. Hope you like this video. Keep learning. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.